If you want to remove automatically sent messages with N8n, the fastest way is to deactivate the node that's causing the message to go out. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to stop it in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple N8n tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to edit inside N8n. This is the workflow where the automatic message is being sent, so make sure you're in the right one before changing anything. Once the workflow is open, look at the nodes in the editor. From there, hover over the node you want to stop. This is the specific node responsible for sending the automated message, so take a moment to identify it correctly. When you hover over the node, you'll see the available controls appear. Now click Deactivate. As soon as you deactivate that node, it will stop running inside the workflow, which means no more automatically sent messages from that step. That's really all there is to it. You don't need to delete the node, rebuild the workflow, or make any complicated changes. Just open the workflow, hover the node, and deactivate it. If you want to turn it back on later, you can always reactivate it the same way. So if this helped you quickly remove automatically sent messages with N8n, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more fast workflow fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.